You're at Father Fish. Nice to have you with us.
A story about something that happened here yesterday. I got a call early afternoon from a woman who had snails in her tank, and she wanted something to get rid of the snails. Well, she told me she was coming in, so I decided to hold off on the conversation until she got here. So she got here with a friend, and she said she wanted a loach. Wanted to know if I have a loach to get rid of the snails. And I said, sure I do, but I would like to help you get rid of the problem that caused the snails. She said, I just want to get rid of the snails. I said, do you understand that the snails have prevented your aquarium from crashing and killing all your fish? She said, I hate snails. I just want to get rid of the snails. I said, you're putting too much food in your tank. You need to stop overfeeding. Okay, I'll do that, but I want to get rid of the snails. And not to be undone, I said, well, if you didn't have gravel in your tank, you would not have the problem you're having. And she said, I don't have gravel in my tank. I took it all out. Oh, so what do you have now? I have nothing. I have a bare bottom. And I said, that's worse. And she said, are you going to sell me the fish I want or not? And I said, I'm here to solve the problem in your tank so that you stop killing fish. I'm not at all interested in selling you fish that are going to die. And then I got to make them good. I have a guarantee that's an open-ended guarantee. She said, I don't like to be lectured to. I said, that is what I do. I lecture. I teach. Go over to PetSmart. They will sell you exactly what you want. When you're ready to listen, I'll be here. Come back when you're ready. And of course, she left in a huff. So don't think she'll ever be back. I know there are store owners who would disagree with me vigorously. And I know a few. One's a good friend, and one is one of the giants of the fish fam who scolded me months and months ago about this very attitude. Both of them said the same thing to me. They both said, you're there to give people what they want, not what they need. One does not say such things to Father Fish. I will not give you what you want unless it is what you need or what you will be able to care for appropriately. I won't do it. I'm not doing this for purely commercial reasons. If I were, I would not be doing it. If my goal were to make money, there are a couple of other things I could make money and really good money doing. I'm not doing that. I'm doing it because this is my love and my joy. And I do it for love and joy. I do it as a celebration that I share with those who share with me. The joy of keeping fish takes us all the way back to our beginning music, doesn't it? Well, I hope you found something you've never seen before. Have a great day. Nice having you with us. Come on back.